Hey, how you guys doing? My name is McCarty Exame from Solar Wireless. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to take a Galaxy S5 screen. You could tell this is a customer phone. Um, I gotta replace the LCD and everything. The screen work, it just I'm gonna replace the LCD also. That's what I do with the S5. Um, yeah, and I'm at the shop by myself today too, so I might have to stop the video a bit in between time. Let's just hope a customer doesn't walk in. But I love when customer walk in. But okay, you start by taking the back out. Take back the battery off. I have my tools. I usually unscrew everything for the S5. Take the bottom screws down. This is this is for this is the home button. The home button, and the home button, these buttons flex right here. I don't plug them too. Yeah. And I'm gonna get my heater. This is a heat gun. Nice heat gun. I like this heat gun. I had the other one. The other one. This one is way better than the other one I had. What's the other one I had? I had some right here. But this is way better. I like this one way better. I usually heat the side so I could take them out, take it out easy. Yeah, this is gonna be my first video that I upload on YouTube on how to fix phone. I've been fixing phone for over 5 years now. No, I won't say 5 years, going on 5 years. I own a cell phone shop for going on 5 years also called Solar Wireless. Yeah. I won't be careful as much with this screen because I'm replacing everything, so I don't really care. It depend. I'm just gonna just take it off the best way I can because I'm replacing the whole LCD, so I won't be as careful like I if I was trying to save the LCD. I just heat it up so I can make my job easier. See, I forgot to put my goggles on. Where's my? I forgot to put these on. This is just in case. When I don't wear this, usually I have glasses fly in my eye. So now I bought one just to prevent that. It's a bad feeling when you have glasses fly in your eyes. I be feeling like I'm going blind. Plug this inside. Like I said, if I would try to save the LCD, I'd probably be more careful. But I'm not gonna save the LCD. So I'm just gonna do this and just forcefully remove this. Be careful with the flex inside too, so you won't have to break because some screen come with the flex, some don't. I think the one I'm gonna put on right now, they didn't send it with the flex, so I gotta make sure I make sure I save this one. There you go. They're gonna take this one out, the home button out. Make sure you do a good job to take it out, cause you're gonna reuse it. You could put the heat gun on it just to make it easier. Yeah, like I said, I'm gonna put the heat gun on there. So I could take it easy. So I won't damage it. So I won't damage it. Yeah, I'm back here making a video quick. Yeah, it was a customer, so I don't have to stop the video. If a customer walk in, I'm gonna have to stop the video. Yeah, taking the home button. Make sure you be careful of taking the home button out, cause I don't know if the new screen come with the home button. So I usually take my time with this and take it out nice and slow. So I'm gonna have to buy a new one. Usually it'd be nice and easier than this, but today I guess this is my first video. It's giving me a hard time, huh? There you go, got it out. Bing. This is the old LCD. Yeah, like I said, I wasn't careful because I didn't care about the LCD because I got a new LCD for it. So there you go. This is the new LCD that I ordered. So oh, it did come with the flex. Oh, so I didn't even need to be careful with the flex. It come with the flex already. The home button. There you go. So this I'm gonna save it later. I'm gonna save it just in case if a customer come with a home button problem. I have one already. Okay. I'm gonna have to start the video because a customer walked in. I will come back in 5 minutes. Yeah, I'm back now. Customer walked in, so yeah. Okay. This is the new screen. So what I usually do, I make sure I clean all these edges because I usually put a glue. So I make sure all this right here is clean, super clean. So I just take my screws and just go around them and just take this whole glue out. No, that's easy. They gotta take their time a little bit. This old dirt, they all gonna stop the screen from sitting real nice. So you gotta make sure you clean everything. I think I pretty much got everything. And make sure they usually come with plastic on the back of the phone. Just make sure you take all these out. I'll take them out. It won't let me take it out. There you go. And then take this out too. This like a glue, so the screen could stay intact. But I usually don't trust this glue. There's another glue that I use that do get the job done. This is right here called B7000. This is pretty good. I like this. I just open it and put it around the edges, just so the screen could stay down. Cause usually customers don't like when the screen come back up. This will make sure the screen stay down. I have a lot of problem with this before I had this glue. This solved the problem. So that's why I tell you, you gotta clean the edges real good before you put this. This is pretty good. I like it. Okay. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna try to put this in first. I'm not gonna pick up the phone right now because I'm doing this video.
Call from wireless color. Call from wireless color.
I usually do this a little bit faster. What the hell going on with me?
Color. Wireless color.
Man, what's going on? There you go.
Wireless color.
Bend it a little bit. Put it through this. There you go. Yeah. You going already? There you go. You 1 second, I'm fixing the phone. And once you got this in there, you just plug this. My bad. Just to make sure it clicked in. There you go. Sit then. This came out. I have to take this out because the bottom one just came out again. So I gotta take it out. Put this back in there again. This usually be easier. I don't know what's going on today. There you go. No, some days we get it good, sometimes we don't. Part of the game, but it's not easy to do. There you go. That's what I'm gonna do first. I'm gonna make sure I plug this in first before I do the other one. There you go. This one's nice in there. This one nice. Plug it. Then I'm gonna just put this in.
Call from wireless color. Call from wireless color. Call from wireless color. Call from wireless color. Call from wireless color.
There you go, got it all in. Okay. I gotta make sure everything is nice. Make sure the speaker's right there in the hole real good. Make sure everything is perfectly flushed in. The customer will bring the phone back if it's not flushed in, really looking real good. I had that happen before. Okay. Let's put the battery in. Hope I didn't break the LCD in the process of putting. Oh, I got it in. Oh, then this came out again. Okay, got it in. Put the screws in. I'll be right with you. Tell him I'll be right with you. I'll be right with you. There you go. Put this back. Put the bag back in. And then, there you go. The home button working. Everything is working. Be back in the money. Thank you for watching. See you next time when I make another video. Everything is working. Thank you.